Okay, 440, only $444. Yeah, let's go. I've never heard of Lancer Blade in my life, but if you want to take a shot, if you want to take a risk, by God, you could take it right there. All right, y'all. So it is close to 2026. We're like 3 days away or something like that. And I actually want to do a PC build just to see how much it costs right now and then compare it to next year. I'm assuming, oh my goodness, it might be double what we're gonna spend right now because GPUs are gonna be rising and then SSDs. So let's just see how much a standard PC would cost. Now I'm trying to do like 1080p 120 FPS, like 144 FPS. So we'll try and make something under, I don't even know what a good price is. Maybe under 1500. We'll see. I am in Canada. Keep that in mind. So y'all will probably see like, oh my God, the CPU is $600. What the hell? No, it's not. It's probably like $350. But that's just how my currency is right now. Anyway, we don't need to go current gen, but I think the Ryzen 5 7600 is pretty good. It'll be good for gaming performance. It's $50 cheaper, and that disparity does matter. Okay, we're saving $50, and that $50 is gonna go into our RAM. No longer our GPU. It's going into our RAM. Like we're on the 9600. I think the 9000 series is the last series. Well, we're close to the end at least. So the CPU does matter a lot though, especially nowadays. I feel like a lot of CPUs, a lot of games that you play will get held back if you don't have a proper CPU. Oh, but we are at 1080p. It doesn't have to be anything too crazy, right? So yeah, we can go Ryzen 5 7600, Ryzen 237. Then we need a cooler. I have an Assassin or something like that. Yeah, the Peerless Assassins are always, they're really good choice. This is the one I got. Yeah, it does AM5. 4690. Then for the motherboard, we're going Wi-Fi AM5. What's like the cheapest we could get? They're all around 200, man. Damn. My goal of 1500 is looking bleak. 7000 series. I'm pretty sure it can do 9000 as well. You just have to update the BIOS. Okay. PCI 4 though. PCIe 4. I would have liked to see 5. That is a shame, but we could keep this. I think, oh, there's only one NVMe slot. Oh no, 2. You get 2 M.2 slots. You only get Wi-Fi 6, not Wi-Fi 6E. How much is this one? 169. Oh damn, it's 32% off apparently. All right, we'll just add this one. What next? Oh, the memory. Yeah, let's do that last. Let's do, man, I don't even think 1 terabyte of SS like storage is enough, dude. There's so many 100 gigabyte games. It's crazy. How much is an NVMe then? The cheapest NVMe currently that is in stock. Oh my God, dude, everything is out of stock. This is crazy. The Spatium? MSI? I didn't know MSI did. It's out of stock. Holy, is there in stock, man? Oh my God, 150 for an SSD. Yo, y'all are cooked. Oh man, that really sucks. I would just get an NVMe and then later on just get like a regular SSD. A video card case. We don't need anything too crazy. It's gotta have decent reviews. A deep cool. This doesn't look too bad. It has space. It's got a fan. Like, hey man, you don't need anything crazy. What's at the front? I can't see. I mean, it's got decent space in there. It's not gonna blow your socks off, but It'll do. Like, this is decent enough cooling, man. You're good. You're good in there. Or this one, the deep cool for an extra $5. Oh, I don't like the holes. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, now it's getting more expensive. Thermaltake has good ones. Okay. Yeah, people, that's an extra $10. That's fine. Oh, it's a mini? No, we just need like a mid tower. I just don't like the holes. I don't like the holes. Oh, god damn, it's ugly. Hey man, you're gonna have to just take what you can get. Okay, this one's not that bad. $79. All right. Power supply. Nothing too crazy. I would say 750 watts probably, or 650. You can probably do. Make sure it's like 80 plus. Honestly, I've been having bronze for the longest time. I know a lot of people recommend gold, but I've had a bronze for goddamn like 10 years and everything has been working fine. So cybernetics gold efficiency, what does that mean? That's a new term I haven't heard before. Is this the new way of saying gold and platinum? All right, well, this Corsair RM850E is about 130, so we'll keep that up. It's 850 watts, which you don't need that much, but like 129, I feel like that's a good deal. Again, you can find great deals. This is just at the moment. Now let's be honest, I know you're supposed to add windows in there, but you can get a Windows key for hella cheap if you know what you're doing. So we're not gonna add that in there. And a monitor, I would hope you have something. We could go AMD. Don't know too much about the Arc series for Intel, so I'm not gonna recommend that. I would try and just get the 50 series, just so you're good for like a while, because you're gonna get like the latest features and stuff. So 5060, cheapest one you can get is around like $400. What is the $400 equivalent for AMD? What? It's more expensive. I mean, you got 16 gigabytes of GDR6, but like that's $100 more, bro. It's not bad for a casual person. But you could get the 8 gigabyte model. Oh, okay, that's why I was like, what? I mean, it's around the same price. What does performance look like? Our Spider-Man 2 1080p, you're getting like 100 plus. Oh, you're getting, oh, it kind of wipes it. Okay. With FSR 4, you're getting, yeah, let me see, shadows. Okay, the 9060. This is the 8 gigabyte model too, and you're getting like a lot of performance ahead. Not so much in Last of Us, but like, okay, there it's pretty much tied there. Then again, why? Okay, I would never recommend performance or balanced when you're playing at 1080p, especially because it's already noticeable of how pixelated it gets, so I wouldn't recommend that. We could get the 8 gigabyte card. Just get, oh my god, this shit look, is this, does it actually come with those colors or is that RGB? No, why? 419 from this, I've never heard of this site, but they show up on PC part pickers, so we'll go with the 9060 XT. And then memory, oh, okay, I'm gonna be honest, you need 32 gigabytes. 16 is really hard to deal with, especially with Windows and their bloat. It's so bad that like there's already a certain amount of allocated memory being taken up from your RAM. So this is where all the budget goes. It's more expensive than our graphics card. Holy shit. Okay, 440, only $444. Shit, let's go. I've never heard of Lancer Blade in my life, but if you want to take a shot, If you want to take a risk, by God, you could take it right there. Wireless gaming mouse. Okay. You can get the G305. That one uses battery though. Honestly, this mouse right here is really good. I have this one at home. I use it on my laptop. So I feel like that's a pretty good deal. The Red Dragon M916 Pro 3. Yeah, like get yourself this Royal Clutch. That's $44.81. That's like 80 bucks, 90 bucks. So we'll add 90 bucks. So for our build, we have a Ryzen 5 7600, a cooler, a thermal right peerless assassin, a AM5 motherboard with Wi-Fi 6, and just like, you know, just the core stuff you need. Then we have, dude, the most expensive part of the build is the damn RAM, bruh. Oh my goodness, it's more expensive than our GPU by $2. And this is the cheapest one I found. Everything else was like $500. Jesus Christ, please upgrade now. Literally upgrade now. Envy, the Kingston, we have the Kingston 1 terabyte. This is gonna go crazy up next year. I don't even want to know. And then for our GPU, we have the 9060 XT. Then we have the Fractal Design Focus 2. I don't even, just a normal case, slick design. Then 850 watt modular power supply, and that brings us to a whopping 1,659 bucks. And that will give us like 100 plus FPS on like different games. It could probably do 1080, or it could probably do 1440p as well, but the only problem is the VRAM on the 9060 XT. If you want to future-proof yourself, you could just go and get yourself the 16 gigabyte. At that point, I feel like it would be worth. I probably would get the 9060. Like, just trust me. Just get the 16 gigabyte. It'll do you a solid. But if it wasn't for the RAM and even the SSD, because you could have got one for $100 back in the day or earlier. So just think about it, like we minus 300, it would have been 1359, but then that's tax as well, so it's not just 300, so it's more like 400, so it'd be like 1259, which is crazy. It's actually crazy, y'all. Literally buy a PC now. Literally buy a PC before it's too late, man. Like, it's already kind of late, but next year it's gonna look dire. So just do something. I know the RAM is a big L, but I don't know how AMD is gonna price their stuff. They might go more expensive because Nvidia is cutting their production on GPUs, and you would probably think that, oh, this is the time for AMD to just like keep their prices steady and just like outsell Nvidia probably. But probably not. This might just go up to like 550 next year, 600, who knows. But this ain't no toilet paper situation, all right? It is for real. There's evidence to show why it'll go up, not just like toilet paper for some reason. What I am curious about is Best Buy. I was looking for like pre-built PCs just to see, because I know it has like it gets a lot of slack, but from what I was looking at, it wasn't that bad. Now, they will probably skimp out on stuff because of labor and just, you know, maybe they'll cheap out on like the most important thing, the power supply. With the R9 7900X is a pretty good CPU actually. So a pre-built 1 terabyte, $18.99. It's on sale. Again, this is not a bad deal, y'all. 5060 Ti. You're getting the Windows. Yeah, R9 7900X is a good CPU. Getting 6E 5.4, PCIe Gen 5. I mean, it's looking good. They don't say anything about the power supply that I see here, but again, it comes with a keyboard and mouse. Yeah, this is not bad. Not bad at all. That's how much a PC would cost now. How much is $1659 anyways in the US? $1659 CAD to USD. That's $1,200. So that's not bad for a PC. And honestly, a PC is like one of the best things you can have, bro. Like, I just got my PS5 again recently. Just the customizability of a PC, being able to fix the settings and stuff and just play at whether you want frame rates above like 100 FPS, 120 FPS, or if you want great graphics with like 60 FPS, you could do that. Whereas console, if you want great graphics, 30 FPS and then 60 FPS for performance. If you don't really care about 100 FPS, I'm gonna be honest, PS5 Pro is a lot cheaper than that. Pro is $829, but I saw it for as low as $669. I mean, yeah, at that point, a PS5 Pro would probably be better, you know? But yeah, anyways, that's how much a PC would cost now before 2026. I'm gonna do one next year just to see how much it would cost then. Anyways, I'm out. Later.